were the Alien and Sedition Acts, and a new tax levied to pay for the mobilization of the Army and Navy. Adams defended them. Jefferson attacked them. In its often vicious tone, this election set a model for future elections. Among many other slurs, the Republicans attacked the president as a hideous hermaphroditical character which has neither the force and firmness of a man nor the gentleness and sensibility of a woman. The Federalists were no better, calling Jefferson a mean-spirited, low-lived fellow, son of a half-breed Indians, sired by a Virginia mulatto father. Even Martha Washington made her opinion known, as intentionally being overheard, telling the cardinal Jefferson was one of the most...
Alright, so as you saw in the video, excuse me, my efforts to try to put this flashlight in there at the beginning kind of fell short. And the Wave had a heck of a problem getting in there too, but what I ended up doing was soaking this in water for about 30 seconds. I took a big nut driver and actually hammered it into here and eventually got the light in there. I still couldn't pull it out for a while, but you know, after letting it dry and working it, and it finally came out. So anyhow, I've tried this thing on. It's quite comfortable. I do realize that for some reason these lines, I don't know how this happened, but it looks like they're like leaning in towards each other. So that was not intended, but that's, you know, biggest issue I have is coming up with a design and a pattern, and I'm working on it, so you know, we'll get there. But anyway, yeah, so take a look. You know, it has a tiny bit of friction lock. It clicks into place. I do not believe this is going to fall out during any normal, I mean, if you did some handstand walking maybe, but normal everyday stuff, this isn't coming out. And the flashlight really surprised me. See if you can hear it. It absolutely clicks into place, and it comes in and out real easy, no problem. So all in all, you know, it needs some refinement, but good little project in my opinion. Turned out pretty good, not too bad. It looks kind of rugged and old, you know. That's kind of the way I like leather myself, is, you know, kind of having more of a color variation and, you know, not so brand new and one color looking. But anyway, so that's going to be the end of this project. I enjoyed. I'm going to wear this thing a lot, and you know, we'll see what comes next. Maybe a different type of Leatherman pouch. We'll see. So thanks for watching, guys, and please come back and watch some more.